Greetings, everyone across the entire universe. Universal love. First, I have to thank every person or individual who have subscribed to Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. And thanks to all of my friends them share my videos them like Cathy Chin, Cecile Stamina Dan share my video them, Barbara in Australia share my video them, and fans and viewers worldwide, please share my videos them and tell your friends and loved ones about Culture Country Lifestyle. First of all, I always like to show you nature, plant. Look at the plant and the beautiful weather in Jamaica. Today I'll be showing you a nice river, kind of dirty one way still, nice color. You can describe the color. A lot of my fans them like to see river, nature. I'll show you the element. So I want you to take a good look at the river. Can you see any animal along the river bank? Tell me what type of animal you see across the river bank. Welcome to Jamaica. This is Culture Country Lifestyle. Welcome to Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Look at the cow. Can you see a cow, my fans? Moo. See the moo cow there. Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, Lush Forest.